Welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to make blueberry cobbler in a cast iron skillet with just 4 simple ingredients. It's milk, butter, flour, and sugar, and I guess 5 because it's blueberry. But it's cobbler in about 45 minutes, so stay tuned. Pretty awesome, but easy to do. We've poured in 1 stick of butter. We got 1 cup of milk. I'm going to cheat, pour in just a little bit of vanilla extract. And if you want, you can put in just a little pinch of baking powder or baking soda. It doesn't matter, whatever you got. You don't have to. It'll still work without it, but I think it just helps it a little bit. And then I'm adding 1 cup of flour. One cup of white sugar. I only got half cup, so that's what I'm using for doing 2. You could also do, I think would be really good, is half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar. But I'm doing 1 of white. Then you're gonna mix that bad boy up. Get it all mixed up. Make sure you make a mess so everybody knows you were baking. And I didn't do it, but if I did it again, I would preheat the pan in the oven to melt the butter, just to get that pan nice and hot at temperature before I put everything in there. Okay, now that that's mixed up, you're gonna pour in your blueberries. And I don't know, we started with the pound, but we made waffles this morning, so I like to use the frozen. I feel like they kind of hold up better when you're under baking or when you're making waffles. You're just going to spread those out evenly. Kind of clump up, but they'll separate once they're... We've got the oven set on 350, and we're just going to put it in there for about 45 minutes, and then we're ready to go. There you go, blueberry cobbler. Milk, flour, sugar, a little bit of butter. Well, actually a whole stick of butter, but pretty easy and looks pretty good. I'll let you know how it tries. We're gonna have it with vanilla ice cream. Thanks for watching.
Boom, baby.